Coinomi versus Exodus. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Coinomi and Exodus to help you determine which crypto wallet suits your needs better. Coinomi Wallet is a multi-currency wallet known for its broad support of over 1,700 cryptocurrencies and tokens, making it ideal for users managing a diverse portfolio. It offers strong security with private keys stored locally on your device, ensuring that only you have access. Coinomi is available on both mobile and desktop platforms, with features like built-in blockchain support and seamless in-app exchanges. Its interface is user-friendly, but its design may feel less modern compared to some competitors. Coinomi's robust security features and multi-language support make it a great choice for global users seeking versatility and privacy. Exodus Wallet, on the other hand, is a highly polished, user-friendly wallet, perfect for beginners and casual crypto enthusiasts. Supporting over 260 cryptocurrencies, it's not as extensive as Coinomi in terms of asset diversity, but excels in design and usability. Available on desktop and mobile, Exodus also integrates with the Trezor hardware wallet for enhanced security. It includes a built-in exchange, live portfolio tracking, and a seamless interface that's visually appealing. While Exodus doesn't store private keys on its servers, some critics argue that its closed-source nature isn't as transparent as Coinomi's partially open-source model. When choosing between these two wallets, consider your priorities. If you value a sleek, beginner-friendly interface with features like live portfolio tracking and hardware wallet compatibility, Exodus is a great choice. However, if you need a wallet that supports a larger variety of cryptocurrencies with a focus on privacy and local private key storage, Coinomi is the better option. Both wallets are excellent in their respective categories, so the final decision depends on your specific needs and experience level. Links to download both wallets are in the description. Explore them and pick the one that fits your crypto strategy best.